Hello friends, my name is Janice Mitchell and I'm a pelvic health physical therapist in the United States. I'm in Texas and I'm really excited about this opportunity to connect you with pelvic health resources. This international collaboration between MyPFM and ISOMT is something that we've been working on for months, and I'm so excited that the time is finally here that we can work together. So we have all kinds of resources and webinars to help advance your learning with pelvic health information, current research, and resources. So again, I'm just so excited to be able to work together with you. And if you have any questions, if you have any ideas, if there's any webinars that you would like to see on pelvic health content, please let me know, because we have webinars that we're adding each month and I really look forward to meeting you and getting to work together. Take care.